Welcome to Occam's Razor, Gardening, Cooking, and Organic, where we have our second episode of the year, where we are covering the growth of the garden. Please like, share, subscribe. Well, it's been less busier than I should have made myself because I've been rather busy with other things. But here we have our raspberry bush, what's left of it, slowly coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about a dozen shoots. Of course, other shoots spread out across the ground. If you were here yesterday for the first episode, you will know that there's some things I was supposed to do yesterday, some of which I did, some of which I did not. Well, there's our compost pile. And slowly throwing in some more weeds from the garden. Now we've gotten our pots ready. We've got to get some tomato plants and such. And in cleaning out the onion bed, I have a lot of onion shoots, so I just threw a bunch of them in a pot. You can never have too many onion shoots to throw in a salad. How are we doing? And how did you guys make out last night? The leaves have turned over. Protect themselves. Shock being out here. Well, it's 6 degrees this morning. It did not go down to frost last night. So these plants probably not going to see much growth on the peppers. We've got a week with temperatures, moving to a new pot. We'll just keep going down the road here. Tiger lilies are what all these green shoots are. Have you seen those? If you search on the channel, there is a tiger lily video. I'm just looking at the tiger lilies with some music. And other potato bed in the corner. I can throw some onion shoots in there. You know, if they take, they take. I don't care. It's either that or throw them in the compost. Why not ring the edge of the yard for it? Well, let's look back here into our provider bean bed. Once I get all the garden in, I'll have to come around and fix this trellis. And yeah, I have to reattach this here where this collapses in on me. Should do that today, after this morning's second breakfast show. And we have our carrots, our cucumbers, and our zucchini. Well, it was fun putting the video together yesterday, having to rebuild the template, looking at some footage from last year. Like that pot we were just staring at. Of grabbing the seeds from last year's basil and throwing it back in the same pot. So we're looking at the squash beds right now. I should probably just hack away all this sage and just let the plant start up again. It's easier than having it tied off. Anyways, why not harvest these bundles? It's just gonna grow. Look at this, it's just spreading all over. It's a great weed to have, eh? And our onion bed was taken care of. Harvested a few winter onions. Left some others in there to grab as I'm going to cook. And bulbs have made it in. And now I still need to put in the radishes and some kale and some lettuce. And what I haven't mentioned are that the peas are in as well, in the same locations as last year. On either side of the potato bed so they can climb this lattice. And then of course, along the front edge of this squash bed. Now, I mentioned yesterday the squash beds need some repair on the trellis. Yeah, you can see it's just completely fallen through. So, all right, let's go in the front and have a look at what was not done. Well, the neighbor's property right next to mine has some annuals come up, so those are nice. But that's about it, because, well, the owners are not here. They haven't been here for a while. Anyways, let's look at our chicks and peas. Yeah, just growing wonderfully. Now, I know some kind of critters living in there. Hopefully a chipmunk. Haven't seen them yet this year. Saw them last year, but completely outnumbered by the squirrels in the area. So, you know how they are. Very competitive. Deadly competitive. Yeah, and all these. Oh, still has some smell. Last year, this lavender. Very nice. Well, our other annuals are there. Now, I don't remember if these ones here flowered. This one's about to open up. Yes, well, I have a bucket load of dirt in the wheelbarrow. It needs to come out here and get spread out today. It'd be a nice day for it too. Finish cleaning up the mess I made with the morning glories. And of course our bird shit berry bush that also needs some attention because the leaves are coming out. Let's look at this here. Yeah, what a bundle. Kind of my own hedgerow, except it's not a hedge. All right, well, that's about it for the update today. Thank you so much for coming out. We'll give you another update tomorrow where you can look at some more progress for the garden. Very appreciated. Please give us a like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Leave us a comment. You'll get a response. I guarantee. Right, see you next time. Thanks for coming out. Bye-bye.